cringy. Anyway, so as you guys can see, the title of the video is I'm going building a gaming computer, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I don't want to say too much because there's probably going to be like 2 follow-up videos to this. Yeah. But my gaming computer is going to be a mid-range gaming computer, which is cool. So yeah. That's the end of this video. Bye. I'm only messing with you. Yeah. I'm not going to name any of the parts because I'm probably going to be doing that in a video, in a follow-up video, because, you know, don't want to ruin it now. But it's going to be a mid-range game PC. It's going to be able to run games at high to ultra settings at over 60 FPS, and it's going to be able to stream as well, and make videos. So yeah, it's going to be a good computer. I don't know how much it's going to cost. It's not going to cost as like 2,000. It's not going to cost like 2,000, but it's going to cost quite a lot of money. But yeah, I think it's going to be worth it. What else was I going to say? I was going to say something else. No, I forget. Yay! So yeah, I'm probably not going to be showing me building the computer or anything, but like, because yeah, I don't know, probably not even going to do a time lapse, but I'm going to be talking about it afterwards, and I'm going to be probably doing a review on the case, which I have like literally right behind me, but yeah, that's probably going to come like tomorrow or something. But I'm building it in about the next 2 weeks. So that's all I wanted to say, was that I'm building a game computer, and there's going to be videos about it. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys did, just remember to leave a big fat thumbs up, remember to subscribe there, down there, or anywhere on the screen, and I know. So yeah, this is a really bad video, but it was recorded really quickly, and I'm going to upload it today. So yeah, see ya. Bye!